Are you ready to take your DMR quiz?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go over the DMR 18 so you can practice before the test this week. There's 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first question is gonna look like this. 1 1/2 times 2 1/5. Make sure that you turn these into improper fractions before you multiply. I just realized I can write on this 3 halves times 11/5. See? Then you're going to multiply 3 times 11 to get 33. And then you're going to multiply 2 times 5 to get 10. See how 33 is bigger than the 10? You're going to then simplify. Divide 33 divided by 10, and that goes in 3 times. 3 is your whole number with 3 left over. So it's 3 3/10. Keep the denominator. That's your answer. Next question is about simplifying the expression. This is a fraction bar, so you can see there's an expression on the top and on the bottom. With these, you still have to solve for. So you do 5 squared minus 3. 5 squared minus 3 over 2. Now, keep it over the 2, and you're going to solve 5 squared. That's 5 times 5. Remember, any number squared means that number times itself. So this is 5 times 5 is 25. Minus 3. Keep them in keep the expression in the top and keep the number on the bottom. So then 25 minus 3 is 22 over 2. Well, look at that. The answer is a whole number. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. That is your answer. And there, colored in the answer. Third question is about an inequality. It's multiple choice, and you have to read it carefully. It says on Saturday, Carmen works no more than 8 hours at her job. No more than 8 hours. Please read the word no. That means it's not more than 8 hours that she works. So that means she has to work less than 8 or equal to. So you've got H as your hours, and then works less than or equal to 8. The reason it can be equal to because it says no more than 8, so that means it can be 8. Okay, and the last problem is number 4, solving your equation. This is something we've been doing over and over again, so hopefully this is just going to be easy for you. You do p minus 7 equals 13. See the minus 7? You set up your problem by adding the 7 to one side and adding the 7 to the other side. Negative 7 plus 7 cancels out, and they end up with p equals, and then 13 plus 7 is 20. Okay, remember the do rule. Remember isolating the variable, get that p by itself by using the inverse operation to solve the problem, and then keeping it equivalent by making sure you do the same things both sides. And there you have it, 4 questions for your DMR 18 that you're going to be taking this week. You have the first question is multiplying mixed numbers. The second question is simplifying an expression. Keep it in the fraction form. Solve the top first. Leave the whole number on the bottom because it's already simplified on the bottom. Then you solve the fraction at the end, simplify it. Once you get a whole number on the numerator. The third question is inequality, which you need to pay special attention to the words and whether it is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or greater than or less than. And the last question is a one-step equation where you need to simplify by isolating the variable, solving for p, and performing inverse operation to get the variable by itself, and you can do the add 7 to both sides. Good luck. You guys are going to do awesome.